So today we are going to do again preposition. So write today's date and classwork. Today is 5th November 2020. Write prepositions. 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 Yesterday I made you write 1 to 10. Right? 1 to 10. If you have any queries, you can write in my chat box. Okay. If you have any problem, write in the chat box. So yesterday we have done 1 to 10. And now we will be doing from 11. Now number 11. Okay. Ramesh like English dash maths. It will be besides. BESIDES. Okay. Besides, yes. Whoever written giving me the answer correctly. Ramesh likes English besides maths. Now number 12. Number 12. Done. Now number 12. I was born dash 1979. तो आई टोल यू कभी भी ईयर के पहले क्या लिखा जाता है? इन. वेरी गुड वीडियो. इन ईयर के पहले हमेशा इन होता है. नाउ नंबर 13. नंबर 13. Done. Now number 13. He is the son dash a doctor. क्या होगा? He is number 13. He is the son dash a doctor. क्या होगा? Of. Okay Vidya. Of. He is the son of a doctor. Yes. Isha Luharika also written off. Number 14. Number 14. I prefer prefer coffee dash tea. I prefer coffee dash tea. क्या होगा? Any idea? Besides, no video wrong. Dhananjay, besides, no. It will be over. OVER, over. Okay? No Isha, to be nahi. I prefer coffee over tea. Okay? Now number 15. प्लीज कीप ऑन राइटिंग. क्योंकि अभी मैं थोड़ी देर बाद में बदल आई एम गोइंग टू इरेज द बोर्ड. ओके, सो यू प्लीज कीप ऑन राइटिंग. जो अभी ज्वाइन किए हैं वो जल्दी से लिखो, क्योंकि 1 to 10 मैंने कल लिखा दिया था. एंड फ्रॉम 11 आई एम मेकिंग यू राइट टुडे. ओके, सो कीप ऑन राइटिंग प्लीज. Now, number 15. He went. Number 15, he went to school dash walk. क्या होगा बोलो? He went to school dash walk. Vidya, yes, bye. Hello. Yes, yes. Can you call after 15 minutes? Done. Number 15. He went to school dash walk. It will be by by work. Okay. Now number 16. Right, number 16. Whoever done, please लिख दो done हो गया number 15 था. Ankush, Vidya also done. Ankush was looking dash his friend. क्या होगा? Ankush was looking dash his friend. Yes, Vidya. For. Ankush was looking for. Yes, Ankush. Ankush was looking for his friend. Dhananjay also written for. Okay. ये है 11 to 16. कल मैंने दिया था 1 to 10 और ये है 11 to 16. जिसका भी हो गया डन लिख दो. ईशा लोहारी का रिटर्न डन. विद्या रिटर्न डन. विद्या ऑल्सो डन. ओके. जिसका भी हो गया लिख दो. रवि रंजन ऑल्सो डन. अंकुश ऑल्सो डन. ईशा कुमारी ऑल्सो डन. युवराज ऑल्सो डन. ओके. Done. So I'm erasing. Now I'm going to erase. $16 was done, right? Now 17. Number 17. The boy fought dash the lion dash the jungle. बोलो क्या होगा? हाँ विद्या. First fought with the lion in. Very good. In the jungle. The boy fought. Yes, with an in. The boy fought with the lion in the jungle. Yes, Ankusin. Now number 18. Done. He congratulated me. Okay. He congratulated me. That's my success. Okay. He congratulated me. That's my success. क्या होगा? Vidya, for. No, wrong. Dhananjay, wait, wrong. Anyone else who want to try? Vidya लिखी टू नो, बाई भी नहीं, बाई नहीं. रवि रंजन ने लिखा टू नो, टू भी नहीं होगा. It will be on. Okay. Ayushi Raj for no, Ayushi. It will be on. Okay. He congratulated me on my success. Okay. On my success. Now number 19. Okay. Geeta and Sita. Geeta and Sita knew dash the plan. बोलो. Geeta and Sita knew dash the plan. Ankush in लिखा, no wrong. Anyone else? Geeta and Sita knew that's the plan. Yes, Vidya, about. A-B-O-U-T, about the plan. So, Geeta and Sita knew about the plan. Please keep on writing. लिखते रहो. Done. Now number 20. Dash cricket matches. Dash cricket matches. Everyone is interested. Dash listen. Is interested. Commentaries. COMMENTARIES. 3 डैश है. बोलो क्या होगा? Dash cricket matches. Everyone is interested. Dash listen. Dash the commentaries. 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 The with are in. धनंजय ने लिखा है the with are in. Wrong. Dhananjay is wrong. Ankush, the with are in. Wrong. द तो आर्टिकल है. द प्रेपोजिशन कैसे बन जाएगा? द तो होगा ही नहीं. एनी आइडिया? इन. नो. नाउ सी द आंसर. आयुषी ने लिखा है ऑन और टू. टू राइट है आयुषी, ऑन नहीं. आयुषी इज राइट, टू बट ऑन नहीं. तो यहां होगा ड्यूरिंग. DURING. ड्यूरिंग. ओके. During cricket matches, everyone is interested to listen to, दोनों टू होगा. During cricket matches, everyone is interested to listen to the commentaries. Okay? Understood? So total मैंने 20 लिखा दिया. कल 1 to 10 कराया था और आज मैंने कराया 11 to 20. तो ये प्रीपोजिशंस हो गया. आई थिंक जिसने कल नहीं दिया था 1 to 10, आज मुझे पीडीएफ चाहिए मेरे व्हाट्सएप में फॉर चेकिंग. 1 to 20. ओके, 1 to 20 आई वांट इन माय व्हाट्सएप फॉर चेकिंग. और जिसने 1 to 10 कल दे दिया था, दे डोंट नीड, दे विल सेंड 11 to 20. जिसने 1 to 10 मुझे सबमिट कर दिया है वो सबमिट करेंगे 11 to 20. और जिसने 1 to 10 नहीं दिया है वो पूरा सबमिट करेंगे 1 to 20. Okay, so these are done. Now I am ending my class. I hope you have understood preposition, but it is not very easy to understand preposition so easily. You have to do a lots of exercises. ये तो मैंने लिखाया है, ये बेसिक था जो मैं चाहता था तुम लोग जानो. और भी prepositions I will give you the worksheet. Okay, wait, मैं तुम सबको अनम्यूट कर रहा हूँ. Okay, I am ending the class here फिलहाल.